Ever wondered how to make a delicious Black Forest cake at home? This delectable dessert is a German classic, famed for its rich ensemble of chocolate, cherry, and whipped cream. It might look like a culinary mountain to climb, but don't be fooled. Just like any complex symphony, it's all about breaking it down into individual notes. And that's exactly what we're going to do, step by step. So brace yourself as we dive into the world of baking to create this masterpiece. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. To create this tantalizing German Black Forest cake, you'll need a box of your favorite chocolate cake mix. Additionally, get a can of cherries, and don't forget the heavy cream for a rich texture. You'll also need some sugar for sweetness, and kirsch or cherry schnapps for a delightful cherry kick. Lastly, pick up some chocolate shavings for garnishing. Once you have these ingredients ready, you're all set to start baking. Now, it's time to transform these ingredients into a delicious cake. The journey begins with the cake batter. Combine the cake mix, eggs, water, and oil as directed on the box. Mix it well until it's smooth and creamy. This is the canvas for our masterpiece. Next, pour the batter into a lined cake tin and smooth the top with a spatula. Pop it in the preheated oven and let the magic happen. The aroma of the baking cake will soon fill your kitchen, a sure sign that your creation is coming to life. But remember, patience is key when it comes to baking. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. This is critical. A hot or warm cake can lead to a messy assembly later on. With the cake baked and cooled, you're halfway through the process. Can you taste the victory yet? The final step is assembling the cake, which is where the magic really happens. Let's dive right in. First off, we'll need to cut our cooled cake into even layers. 3 is a good number, but feel free to go up to 5 if you're feeling adventurous. With our layers ready, it's time to add a little kick. We're going to soak each layer with some cherry schnapps. This not only keeps the cake moist, but also gives it that signature Black Forest flavor. Next up, we'll spread a generous amount of whipped cream on each layer. Don't be shy here. The cream is what gives our cake its lusciousness. We'll then scatter a handful of cherries on top of the cream before placing the next layer on top. We'll repeat this process for each layer, finishing by covering the entire cake with more whipped cream. For the final touch, we'll garnish with chocolate shavings for that extra indulgence. And there you have it. Your homemade Black Forest cake is ready to be devoured. So that was the journey from a few simple ingredients to a beautiful Black Forest cake. We started from scratch, baked our cake, and assembled it. Remember, perfection comes with practice. Remember, the joy of baking lies not just in the end product, but also in the process. Happy baking!